to know about GSTR 9. Let's start with GSTR 9. So, what is GSTR 9? GSTR 9 is an annual return which should be filed once in a year. It contains all the GSTR 1, GSTR 2 and GSTR 3B monthly or quarterly returns filed in that year. If your business turnover is less than 2 crore, it is optional to file GSTR 9 from the financial year 2017 to 2018. The due date to file GSTR 9 is 31st December. Who are not required to file GSTR 9? Composition scheme holders, persons paying TDS, input service distributors, casual taxable persons, non-resident taxable persons are not required to file GSTR 9. If you exceed your due date on filing GSTR 9, then what will be the penalty? You should pay 200 per day as default until you file GSTR 9, which means Rs 100 per day under CGST, and Rs 100 per day under SGST or UTGST. The next topic to discuss is GSTR 9A. GSTR 9A is also an annual return filed once a year. It should be filed by composition scheme taxable persons. This form has been disabled from financial year 2019 to 2020 onwards for composition taxpayers, due to the introduction of GSTR 4, which is also an annual return. Now, the GSTR 9 is optional and can be filed for financial year 2017 to 2018 and financial year 2018 to 2019. The due date to file GSTR 9 is 31st December. Thinking who are not required to file GSTR 9A. Non-resident taxable persons, input service distributor, casual taxable person, person paying TDS, e-commerce operator. Similar to GSTR 9, the penalty for GSTR 9 a late filing is 200 per day. Now it's turn to GSTR 9B. GSTR 9B is also an annual return and it should be filed by every e-commerce operator who has filed early GSTR 8. The due date to file GSTR 9B is 31st December, and it can be extended by the government in case of necessity. You should pay 200 per day as a penalty in case of delay on filing GSTR 9B. If you're one among the list, then there is no necessity to file GST 9B by you. Non-resident taxable persons, input service distributor, casual taxable person, person paying TDS, composition scheme holders paying TCS. Finally, let's dive for GSTR 9C. GSTR 9C is a reconciliation statement filed once a year. It is filed by people who are required to get their accounts audited. GSTR 9C should be prepared and certified by a chartered accountant or cost accountant. GSTR 9C is made optional for taxpayers having an aggregate annual turnover was less than Rs 5 crore. Taxpayers with a turnover exceeding Rs 5 crore in the previous financial year are required to file Form GSTR 9C on a self-certification basis. This change is applicable from the financial year 2020 to 2021 onwards. Further, Form GSTR 9C will be modified to support self-certification by the taxpayer.